This is the final product of the meringues we made today. We're going to start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Today we're going to be making gluten-free meringues. The ingredients you'll start with are 2 eggs. So I have 2 eggs in a bowl, and I'm going to take my clean hands. I just have markers on them that won't come off. Don't worry, they're clean. I'm going to take my hand and just separate the yolk from the egg whites, and make sure your hands are very clean. It is very important. And I'm just going to separate it. Okay, so in this bowl I have my egg yolks. Now I'm just going to wipe my hands. And in the other bowl I have my egg whites. And I'm just going to take a big bowl and pour it straight into there. Then I'm going to take 3/4 cup of regular sugar and I'm going to pour that in. Then I'm going to take 1/8 teaspoon of salt and pour that also right in. Then I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of vanilla sugar. It literally smells so good. And I'm going to pour that right in also. Then I'm going to take 1/8 teaspoon of cream of tartar. This is a very important ingredient because it's kind of what thickens, so to say, the batter. So that's going straight into the bowl. Okay, so that is all our ingredients. Now we're going to go straight to mixing. Okay, so now we're going to mix it. You want to start on low speed so it doesn't fly everywhere. And then you can go into a higher speed once all the little clumps go away. I mixed it for 5 minutes. It usually takes 5 to 10 minutes, and you want to kind of see some like stiff peaks. This is the final product after mixing for 5 minutes. It doesn't really have stiff peaks, but it's a really thick batter, so this is kind of what your batter should look like. Okay, so this is what the meringue batter looks like. Now we're going to take a gallon-sized Ziploc bag and a big cup, and we're going to put this Ziploc bag in the cup, and this is where all our batter is going to go so we can pipe it all out. So now we're going to take a big spoon and pour all of that meringue batter straight into that big bag. Don't mind my sister's hand, she's just eating the batter because it's so good. Okay, so I got most of the batter out of the bowl. And now we are going to close the Ziploc bag and seal it really tight. Okay, then you're going to take scissors, make sure you get parents' permission, and you're going to cut a small hole in the corner of the bag. Okay, now you're going to line a baking tray with parchment paper, and you're going to take your bag and start piping it. Okay, so now I'm just piping them into small circles. Mine don't have peaks this time. It's okay. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. It doesn't really matter. They taste good either way. Okay, so after all that piping, now we're going to go ahead and put them straight into the oven. Let them bake for 20 to 25 minutes. It really depends on your oven. And they are done. They came out so good. They don't have peaks, but that's okay. They'll taste amazing. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how they should look in the middle. I'm just cutting it open. It should be hard on the outside and like chewy on the inside, like a marshmallow. Okay, so here I'm just laying them out on a platter, and here's the final product. They came out amazing. Thank you for watching.